Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the Apple ID that manages family sharing. This matters because only the organizer can change visibility. Once done, unlock with Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode so you can access protected settings. Now open Settings and tap your name at the top to enter Apple ID controls. This gets you directly to family sharing options. Make sure you don't accidentally use a different account, since changes apply to the organizer's family group. You'll now go into Family Sharing and pick the exact feature that reveals activity, location, purchase sharing, or Apple TV Plus access. Once inside, toggle off the specific feature to stop sharing immediately. For location, switch Share My Location off or change the device that shares. If a person's presence is the issue, remove them from the family group. Removing the organizer requires transferring organizer role first. These steps hide data selectively, so you keep other family conveniences intact. Finish by confirming changes. Sign out of Apple ID or reboot the device, then re-enter settings to verify family sharing reflects your edits. If you needed to change the organizer, follow the Apple ID prompts exactly before removing the original organizer, skipping that can lock settings. If something still shows, restart both yours and a family member's device and check their view. If visibility persists, revoke shared subscriptions or contact Apple support while noting which account performed the changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.